First mathematician in Europe is Pythagoras. Pythagoras was a Greek scholar and philosopher in the late century before Christ. He is known as the father of numbers. His teaching covered a variety of areas such as mathematics, music, astronomy, and topography. He is best known for the Pythagorean theorem which bears his name. The Pythagorean theorem is for any right-angled triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. The formula is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. The next mathematician is Ptolemy. Claudius Ptolemy was a Greek mathematician and developed the Babylonian observation and Babylonian lunar theory. He wrote several scientific treatises, 3 of which were of importance to later Byzantine: mathematical treatise, geography treatise, and astrological treatise. The invention of Ptolemy is the geocentric model of the universe. The third is Hypatia. Hypatia was a Neoplatonist philosopher, astronomer, and mathematician. She constructed astrolabes and hydrometer. The astrolabe is an inclinometer used by past astronomers to predict local time by locating the positions of stars and moon. While the hydrometer, this is the device used to determine the density of fluids. Next is Georg Cantor. He is a German mathematician who created the set theory. He proved that real numbers are more numerous than natural numbers. Defined the cardinal and ordinal number. The invention of Georg Cantor is set theory. Next is Gottfried Leibniz. He is an incredible mathematician with the most fabulous head of hair. He was an avid inventor of mechanical calculator and added multiplication and division. Leibniz coined the phrase "the best of all possible worlds." His invention is the Leibniz wheel. Next is William Playfair. He is an inventor of chart. He also pioneered the use of timelines. His inventions are charts and graphs. Next is James Maxwell. He is considered as the first color photographer and first to develop the color of photograph. His invention is color photograph. Next is Alan Turing. Alan Turing hailed as a father of computer science. He is credited as one of the most important people in devising the techniques for breaking the German Enigma cipher. His invention is Bombay and Universal Turing Machine. Next is Pierre-Simon Laplace. He is the pioneer of statistics. Laplace was one of the first people to propose the existence of black holes and one of the central forces behind systematizing probability theory, laying the groundwork for what is now termed Bayesian statistics. He is first to study the speed of sound. Next is Thomas Bayes. He is the advancer of statistics and predictive statistics. His invention are analytical and inference engine.
And the next mathematician is Ada Lovelace. Ada Lovelace is the first computer programmer. Her invention is programmable computing machine. And the next mathematician is David Hilbert. David Hilbert is the patron saint of math teacher. His invention is space. And the last mathematician is Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton is an inventor of calculus. Newton developed early physics and scientific method, the theory of universal gravitation and calculus. His invention is x sub n plus 1 is equal to x sub n minus fx sub n over fx sub n.